going on, guys? This is Ed here at BurgerStrasse, 14 Market Street, Clifton, New Jersey. Today I want to show you how to properly make a smash burger. I think the first thing we have to know is how to treat the meat. A lot of meat comes vacuum sealed, so what we do first is we unseal the packs. We put the packs in a bowl or in a bin or something like that, and what we want to do is break up the meat. Make it look a little more like it just finished coming out of the grinder. Once we do that, we don't overhandle it. You just sort of break it up. You make like a not so smooth meatball, so sort of pack it up into a ball. The palm of your hand size is fine. That's probably going to equal about 4 ounces. Make sure your grill is at around, between 375 and 400. That's the proper heat to do it. If you don't have a flat top, you want to have either a cast iron pan or a frying pan that has a nice flat surface or a nice flat non-stick surface, because it's going to get, once we pat down the meat and smash the meat onto the grill, it's going to probably stick to it. You want to place the meatballs onto the grill. Once you get the meatballs on the grill, we use a double spatula method here to smash them. We get 2 spatulas, press them down onto the meatballs and crush them into the patty. Make sure that every part of that meat is kissing the grill. Once you get that nice grayish cook all around and you see the brown searing around the meat patty, it's ready to flip. The safest way to flip it so that you don't leave any meat on the grill is to use a paint scraper. Flip it around, and as soon as you flip it, you either want to press your grilled onions onto it if that's what you like, or if not, we just put the cheese right onto it. The little bit of fat and water that's still left on the other side is going to help steam that cheese and get it melted. Take the caps off. That's your reveal. That's your beautiful patty. And you put it on your prepared sandwich. However you want to prep your sandwich, lettuce, tomato, onions is the proper way to probably do an American cheeseburger. That's how we do it here. And once you place it on the bun, it's as good as eating. So that's it. That's how you make a proper smashed burger.